You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this curious word from Chinese, this city in China. If you want to learn more confusing names from Chinese, stay tuned. Pronounced in Chinese, Hangzhou. Hangzhou. So it's not a Z sound, it's not Hangzhou or Hangzhou. It's zhou. It's more like somewhat like a J. Hangzhou. It's a bit like a soft G or a J. Hangzhou. Or in English, well, you can simply say the English pronunciation, Hangzhou. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.